Hi, and welcome to the flawless tutorial on our most revolutionary new product yet. It's hard to believe that shaving for women wasn't even mainstream until the 1920s. Even harder to believe that 100 years later, women's razors still look and behave like men's razors. Except for colors, it's hard to tell them apart. Finishing Touch Flawless thought it was time to change all of that. So they crafted this technological marvel just for us girls. Meet the new razor. A revolutionary new way to shave without nicks, cuts, or bumps. Let's get started, shall we? First, let's take a good look at the new razor. This device is unlike any razor you've ever seen or used. For example, new razor boasts the signature Finishing Touch Flawless 18 karat gold plated head. It's hypoallergenic and safe on all skin types. It also has a flat blade designed to help prevent nicks and cuts, or the unattractive bumps you can get with razors that use an angle blade design. Just beneath new razor's gold-plated head is the most technologically advanced dry shave blade made today. It has 200 micro-precision facets that provide meticulous hair-cutting contact, whether you're shaving up or down. You heard that right, it's bi-directional. You can now shave up or down, or even both. Also, the soft grip handle gives you a great sense of shaving control, and it feels comfortable in your hand. Those once scary ankle, shin, and knee bones? No worries. The flat pivoting head is designed to glide over the contours of a woman's leg without nicking, cutting, or leaving unsightly bumps. And like all Finishing Touch Flawless beauty devices, there's a built-in LED light so you never miss a hair. So now that we've covered every feature of the new razor, here's what comes with your product. One razor head already on the handle, which should last for about 3 or more months depending upon coverage of area and frequency of use. And a new razor USB charging cord. Please note that you can use any Flawless rechargeable wall adapter. But if you don't have one of those, your phone's wall adapter will work perfectly with the new razor USB charging cord. For shaving sensitive areas like under the arm, bikini area, ankles, or even behind the knee, connect the SensaGuard attachment to the head. To attach, you want to align the tabs on the SensaGuard with the head on the Flawless new razor. Press the SensaGuard into the head until you hear it click into place. To remove, place your thumb on the center of the head while lifting the corner of the SensaGuard to detach. You'll want to use this attachment for all your sensitive areas. Stay tuned. I'm about to demonstrate how to use the new razor for best results. Thanks so much for waiting. So, now that you know the fabulous features of new razor, let's get down to shaving for best results. First, new razor is a waterless or dry shave. You can shave sitting on the side of your tub, in an easy chair like me, or anywhere that you're comfy. For the best hair removal experience, your legs should be dry and free of any lotions or creams. Remember, no water, no soap, and no creams are needed. Just dry, hairy legs. Now, push the button located on the top of the handle to turn on new razor. Hold the handle where the head rests flat against the skin of your legs. Like a wet razor, I'm starting at my ankle and pulling the head up my leg, keeping the head flat against the skin in a moderately paced stroke. And now, here's the cool part, and something you can't do with an ordinary wet razor. Once I'm at the top of the stroke, I can move it over slightly and run the head back down my leg. I don't even have to lift new razor off my skin because it shaves up and down without any nicks, cuts, or bumps. Watch how nicely it glides over the shin bone, the knee, the ankle, and even your toes. It's that simple. And you get a beautiful dry shave. Perfect for convenient in-between wet shaving. Stay tuned for how to clean and store and frequently asked questions. I'll be right back. Okay, thanks for waiting. Let's talk about how to clean and store your new razor. After every use, you'll want to clean the blade. To do that, you'll simply turn the unit on and run the head under slow streaming water, like this. As you can see, the movement of the blade helps the water clean any residual hair from the head. Now, turn the unit off and take a dry hand towel and blot the head to pick up any remaining water. Lay the new razor on the counter with the Flawless logo on the handle facing up. This allows airflow and any residual water to run off the blade and to dry completely. Important tip, do not tap the razor head to clear water from the blade. Lay it down just like you see here and it will dry beautifully. That's it, cleaning is just that simple. Now, let's look at how to replace the head. Hold the handle belly up in one hand, then hold the top of the blade with the other hand. Using your thumb, slip it into the indentation on the belly of the handle and push the head up and pull with the other hand. To store your new razor, we suggest letting it sit in a natural state, either blade up or blade down. Best practice is storing it in a spare cosmetics bag with its USB cord. Important tip, no other USB cord fits the Flawless new razor, so it's best to store the unit and the cord together. That's it, easy peasy. So let's recap. This is a dry shave. No water, soap, or creams needed. Now you can shave without the shower, anytime, anywhere. New razor is rechargeable, and the USB cord can be used with any wall adapter. To clean the head, turn the device on and run the head under water. Turn off the device, blot the head dry with a hand towel, and lay the device down with the logo facing up to completely air dry. Never tap the head against a hard surface, as it can damage the head. Depending upon the coverage area and the frequency of use, your new razor head should last about 3 to 4 months. Need more? Just go to newrazor.com or flawlessbeauty.com. Finally, dry shaving with the Finishing Touch Flawless new razor means you're not only helping conserve precious fresh water, you're helping reduce disposable plastics in our landfills and battery acids from leaching into the earth. Pretty cool. Well, that's it for today's Flawless tutorial. Congratulations, and thank you for choosing New Razor, the most technologically advanced razor to be created for women in 100 years. Go on, you're gonna love shaving.